On our way to the trail, going through literal flood conditions. We've hit about 3 or 4 massive puddles. And here we are at Horseshoe Curve. On our way to the Horseshoe Curve bike trails. We have arrived. Not the recommended way of doing it, but it works. All right. He's all better.
Woo! I feel good now.
Currently on the 22 Stump Jumper Alloy Comp Evo. We got Jason up here on the...
I'm rocking the 2011 Genesis V2900.
Yep. The Jenny.
The old clunker. Let's get it.
Oh yeah. Whoa, we're going the wrong way. No. We said we were going this way down it.
Oh, my bad. This is the way I couldn't even remember which way we came off from. See, this is lit. I'm going to enjoy this.
Yeah, here, go around me. So at least we can get you in the frame. Mud ride. Oh, dude, actual ponds in the trail.
You want to stay to the left?
Yep. Ooh, I tapped my bottom bracket.
Yeah. The rear fender does nothing for my ass.
Nope. Mine's sore.
Mine's stoked.
Oh, you didn't wipe your seat off?
What? No, my fender. It's not stopping the...
Oh, you're talking about water coming up.
It's not back far enough. Front one's working good.
Some good single track. Wow, this is all flooded. Yo, this is sweet. Holy shit, that gets deep. Yeah, dude. River fording on bicycles. Haven't done this since I was 11. Yeah. It's totally different.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Try to get some speed. This is the Caboose Trail up here at, ooh, look at this water.
Crawling gear. I can drop you through the weight of the water.
Yeah!
Oh, this is such a good idea.
Feet are wet. That's okay.
Yeah, mine are soaked. My ass is also soaked, but I'm enjoying it so much less.
Yeah. I kind of just, you know, accepted we were going to be wet. Oh. Log. This mullet setup's great, dude. That 29 front just like rolled right over it.
Yep. Now you see what you did with it.
Yep.
You never did that. My front set is doing a phenomenal job keeping it. Don't jump it out of my face.
Yeah, I haven't had anything spray up and hit me. Ooh. Whoa, had a close call with a pedal strike there. Yeah.
Let's go back and hit this again.
You go ahead, I'll film you. It's like actually way more technical than it looks on camera.
Yeah, why is this? Hang on, let me hit it with another line. I see the line.
Onward, about to continue pedaling through this basically a small river. Whoa, I fucking missed the pedal. Ugh. Ugh. Sure you don't want to be in front? Why do you keep backing up to do it again? Had to complete it. All right, onward. Ooh. Fuck, I remember this section. I gotta get back and get my tire up on here.
Oh, what's going on?
I said I remember this section. I have to get my tire on here. Oop. Fuck. Woo. That do be slick.
Oh, I about lost all of your traction there.
Fuck. Fuck, I gotta hop off. Spinning tire. Yeah. Woo. Fuck.
Oh, almost. Spun it out.
Yeah.
I was technical as fuck in the race.
Yeah, dude.
Very
Whole new.
I'll be able to come back here when it's dry and fly through this.
Oh shit, this whole section's uphill. All right.
I'm gonna have to take my beanie off.
Yeah, dude, I had to ditch the... I didn't wear a beanie or nothing. I'm letting my head breathe. Get rid of some of this heat. Just went through a really technical section. I'm gonna film this.
Stay center. You'll clear right over the box. Keep trucking.
Fuck, where'd my pedal go? There it is.
Stay center balance, wait for the tank.
Fuck.
Don't stop, don't stop you.
Whew. Fuck. Yeah, I lost my momentum there.
That took all my weight out of
Let me back up. Get another shot at this. Ooh. 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 Here's the photo op rock.
With the stream flowing.
With the stream.
And the fender's blowing, baby.
Woo!
Let's see, I'm fucked.
Get a clip of this section. Woo! Oh, fuck!
You know what it is? This kind of shit, from now on, I'm taking some of the pressure out of my shock so it's softer.
Well, I think it was too soft. I sponged.
I keep stovepiping. It's great for jumping, but not so great for this.
All right, continuing on. Ah! Ooh, fuck yeah. Oh, shit. Ah!
I went up over this rock. I'm going back and hitting that rock again.
This one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go around and try to continue. Hang on. Oh, I already was all the way down. All right. Fuck.
See, my wheelbase is too long to get down in there. Whoever designed this track definitely had a preference for 26ers.
Oh, I doubt that. Fuck, dude. I think.
Here where I'm at, dude. This is a good start.
Go ahead. Ooh. Yeah. You definitely got to have your speed up. Here we are, first break on the trail. GoPro died. We both fell into the river. Hang on.
We damn near made it.
Yeah, we almost fucking made it.
Almost.
But yeah, the bikes got submerged a little bit, but we just pulled them right up out the other side. It was all right. Might need to pull everything apart and clean it. It's time for a smoke and a bit of a little break, and we'll continue on.
No better way.
Horseshoe curve.